Welcome to Smart Technology Equipment Center. The channel specializes in providing the latest information on smart technology, modern equipment, and advanced solutions to improve the quality of life. Whether you are looking for innovation to optimize your home, workplace, or simply want to update the outstanding technological advances, we always accompany you on the journey to explore the future world. Don't forget to click subscribe to not miss any interesting content. Let's build a smarter, more modern life with us.
Today we will learn about two mid-price gaming laptop models, but the configuration and design are beyond reproach. Let's find out together. Model 1. Asus ROG Strix G16 Gaming Laptop, NVIDIA RTX 4070, 14th Gen Intel i9-14900HX, 32GB DDR5-5600, 1TB SSD Gen 4, 16-inch ROG Nebula 1610 QHD 240Hz, Win 11 Pro, Office Pro Lifetime License, Gaming Mouse. Powerful performance with i9-14900HX. The Asus ROG Strix G16 gaming laptop is designed to deliver unrivaled gaming performance. Equipped with the 14th Gen Intel i9-14900HX, Turbo Boost up to 5.8 GHz, 24 cores, 32 threads. With its high core count and advanced architecture, it easily handles demanding tasks, from gaming to content creation, ensuring smooth multitasking and a responsive computing experience fast. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070. Experience the ultimate graphics experience with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 GPU at a maximum TGP of 140W. Built on the latest Ampere architecture, it delivers unparalleled gaming performance, stunning visuals, and real-time ray tracing for realistic lighting, shadows, and reflections, taking games to new heights of realism. 16-inch ROG Nebula 240Hz display. The Asus ROG Strix G16 gaming laptop features a stunning 16-inch display with an ultra-fast 240Hz refresh rate for super smooth gameplay and vivid visuals. ROG Nebula display. Nebula Standard ensures premium displays with high specifications for the best visuals. The Strix G16 features cutting-edge features like QHD 240Hz per 3 milliseconds, 100% DCI-P3, Pantone validated, and more. Upgraded memory. The Asus ROG Strix G16 gaming laptop features up to 32GB DDR5-5600 RAM, providing fast and efficient multitasking. Additionally, it is equipped with up to 1TB SSD, providing ample storage for your games, files, and apps. Windows 11 Pro and Microsoft Office Pro Lifetime License. Enjoy enhanced productivity and security with Windows 11 Pro. Benefit from a free lifetime license for Microsoft Office, making your office life easier and more efficient. Model 2. MSI Raider G78HX 17-inch 240Hz QHD Plus gaming laptop. Intel Core i9-14900HX. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070, 32GB DDR5, 1TB NVMe SSD, Thunderbolt 4, Cooler Boost 5, Win 11 Home, Black 14V205US. Unleash gaming dominance. Power your gaming with the 14th Gen Intel Core i9 processor, HX series. Packed with high core counts and blazing speeds, this gaming powerhouse delivers the speed and responsiveness you've been waiting for. Simplified design. Enjoy the latest generation of Windows 11 Home for your everyday needs. MSI recommends Windows 11 Pro for business use. Even faster. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 GPU with Ada architecture harnesses the power of ray tracing, simulating the way light behaves in the real world. QHD display. The 17-inch 240 Hz display delivers a fast refresh rate for greater immersion. Redesigned wireless. Stream high-quality videos or download large files in less time with the latest Wi-Fi 7 network speeds. Get your work done at breakneck speeds.
If you find the video useful, do not forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. Also, follow Smart Technology Equipment Center to wait for other useful smart products on the topic of smart technology. I will leave the product link below the description for those who are interested.